Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard, designed to enhance your typing experience with its unique curved shape that naturally positions your hands, wrists, and forearms for all-day comfort. This keyboard comes with a padded wrist rest made of memory foam, providing exceptional support and reducing pressure on your wrists. You can personalize your typing experience using the Logi Options Plus app, allowing you to select shortcut keys that streamline your workflow. The Wave Keys keyboard is Ergo certified, meeting the standards of leading ergonomics specialists and recommended by United States Ergonomics. With the ability to connect via Bluetooth or the Logi Bolt receiver, you can effortlessly switch between your notebook, tablet, or smartphone using Easy Switch, and enjoy up to 3 years of battery life. For an even more comfortable setup, pair the Wave Keys with a vertical ergonomic mouse, and feel good about your purchase knowing that the plastic parts are partly made from certified recycled plastic and the product is certified as CO2 neutral. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, functionality, and sustainability with the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.